versus Anuni Hazazi versus Deborah. There's a letter missing. Is it Shabath?
Hi,
Hello, what's your name?
Auni Hijazi.
Is your tenant here?
No, I'm the owner.
Pardon?
I'm the owner.
I know.
I didn't hear good.
Is
May
the
I have
tenant
my
here?
sister too?
Can't hear.
I have your Honor. Can I have my sister to translate and hear better than I do? Because I have these ears. She's here.
You need a translator? What language?
No English. My sister can help me. I don't hear enough. Yeah, it's okay.
No, I know. And that's what that equipment does.
I have the equipment here too.
Can you hear me now, sir?
Yes.
A lot better.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Okay. Pieces are gonna have to be. Got it. Okay. Okay, do you know where the tenant is?
No.
No,
The-
you don't?
No. Since 9 days, I'm not seeing her. Maybe she left or, but she didn't give me the keys or something like that.
She didn't give you the keys.
No.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
You are the owner of the premises?
Yes.
You did not have a lease with this individual, but she was renting from you?
No. Just before 6 months, I used to give her receipt. Yeah.
Did you have a lease?
No.
There was no lease.
No. She's renting a room in my house.
And you sent a 30-day notice
Yes.
for her to vacate?
Yeah.
She did not vacate to your knowledge?
No.
I'll grant judgment for possession to the plaintiff by default with a writ to issue 10 days. So you need to go up front, fill out a judgment form, submit it back to the court by signature.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case People versus AJ Coda. Burgess, she here?
I have not seen her, Your Honor.
You've not seen her? Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
This is a claim for non-payment of rent.
Yes, Your Honor.
How much is owing him back rent?
As on date, it's $5,898.66. $98.66.
$5,898.66. That doesn't include your court cost, does it?
It includes the court costs.
So how much is owing in rent?
So the rent is $2,850 is the late fees. That's for December. And the same is owed for the January as well. So 5,700, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
5,000 what?
700.
Plus you get cost of 161.25 is what I have.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that the total judgment amount will be $5,861.25.
Yes, Your Honor.
So I'll grant a judgment in that amount with a writ to issue in 10 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You need to fill out a judgment form and get it back to the court for my signature.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case of Jeffrey Patrick versus Kevin Rush. There really isn't an issue for me to try in this case. I'm going to grant judgment for possession on the termination case, but the writ will issue March 13th, 2026. Northfield Crossing versus Ardell Carson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Rachel Dornbush, Appellate Law on behalf of the plaintiff.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. How are you?
It's been a day. How are you?
I'm doing awesome.
All right. Where are we on this? Is this a motion?
Well, Your Honor, just to verify, what is the name of the individual who is present?
Your
I
name,
am-
ma'am?
Ardella Gillis. I'm the daughter of Ardell Carson.
And where's Ardell?
Pardon?
He is at home babysitting grandbabies.
So she's not here?
He's not here.
He's not
Yeah,
here.
my father.
What, well, why is he not here? I guess is my concern.
My father's partially blind, deaf, and unable to drive. So because we all live in the same house,
You're,
I'm here to represent the family. Yes, sir.
yeah, but it doesn't really work that way.
I know.
I mean, I understand what you're telling me, but. So let me just ask this, even if because of rights, what I should do is I should deny the motion because he's not here, okay? But let me just ask you. There was a judgment taken for $4,085.24. All right. What's the defense to the fact that you owe that money?
Your Honor, it is all my fault. Of the reason why we had gotten off track paying our rent. We have been on-time payers since 2018. And as of, I believe, on the ledger, it started in either May or June. During COVID, I had lost my vehicle, lost my mother, and a whole lot of other stuff started happening, divorce, all that good stuff. Well, not really good stuff, but for the past few years, we didn't have a vehicle. So we were on time with our rent, no problem. Due to we couldn't get any more help or any assistance from neighbors, friends, family, stuff like that. I ended up renting a car from Enterprise. And with that came the cost of the car, insurance, and deposit, which was nearly close to $2,000 a month. So I was using my Social Security check and borrowing from my dad to help us keep a car because we have my niece who is also staying with us and her 3 children. One child is
Okay,
autistic and
ma'am.
in school.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
I understand all of that, or certainly as to how you may have gotten there. But then the question becomes, how's this going to be paid?
Okay. I was able to reach out to several organizations. Out of the 15 organizations, 3 said they could help. Hawk was one of them. The University of Michigan Health and Community Service is number 2. And number 3 is the Jewish Family Services. They have all agreed to help us. The amounts will be determined by the committees whenever they make their decision.
Well, when are they going to make?
So far, the JFS is offered to pay 400.
We'll
Has-
pay up to 3,000, but you got to have the other part of the balance done.
Yes. I put in 400 in escrow on January the 2nd.
I got that.
Okay. Hawk agreed for 3,000. When they will pay, they haven't given me an answer just
Well,
yet.
they won't pay until your balance is at 3,000, which it brings me to my next point that January's rent has now clicked in. And Ms. Dornbush, what's the current balance?
$5,773.03.
You broke up at the first start of that, 5,000.
$773.03.
Thank you. So, ma'am, in order for Hawk, that even to come into play, I need about $2,800.
I'm also working with like I said, the University of Health and Community Services. I have a caseworker, and me and my dad had our first intake yesterday.
Ma'am, let me just tell you, I feel bad that you guys have gotten into the circumstance. However, plaintiffs, they're entitled to also have their judgments enforced
Yes, sir.
where it's appropriate. This judgment was issued by Monday, actually, will be a month ago. And there haven't been significant payments. The balance is just is climbing.
We know it's going out of control, Your Honor, and that's why I say I've been reaching out to organizations for help,
Okay.
and they're just getting back to us because of the holidays. And a lot of them didn't have any funding.
So, ma'am, I don't need to hear anything from the plaintiff on this. I'm going to deny your motion to set aside the escrow, the $400 escrows to be released to the plaintiff. It sounds to me like you're talking to a lot of agencies, but they need to get on the ball.
Yes, sir.
To help you out.
Yeah.
So I will
They
give
are.
a little time before the execution of the writ, but I'll indicate that in denying your motion, that plaintiff may execute a writ on it after January 22nd, 2026 or after.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Giving you a little bit more time, but you just tell them that's your deadline.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Hello. What's your name?
I'm Tara Stafford. Carol Stafford is deceased.
Yes, you did tell me that. Okay. Yes, you did. All right. And where are we on this case? You were supposed to pay, go ahead.
I've got her at 421642.
421642. So she did what she told me. She was gonna pay 2,000. You did that, didn't you? All right. How are you gonna get the rest of this paid off, lady?
I can give them 1,500 today. I was waiting to see if DHS is going to give me approval for an SCR. I haven't heard back from my caseworker, but I'm just asking until the end of the month.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, okay.
You're all right. You got 1,500 today that you can get them. That's gonna bring you down. It will. And you're waiting on an SCR. And how many people are in your house?
Between that and my 3 dysfunctional children is 4.
There's 4
Yeah.
of you. All right. So just so that you know, even if you got the max award on that, it's only about $740.
That's fine. So I was fired in the FMLA and I finally got my job back. So I'm back, as you can see, I'm back at work. I'll be able to pay it in full. Even if they don't give it to me, I'm going to pay it.
All right. Let me ask you this. All right. When people follow through on what they say, then I give them try to give them a break. You see when people don't follow through, that's a problem, right?
Yes, sir.
So you get paid bi-weekly or
Weekly.
weekly?
Yeah.
All right. So you got 1,500 that you can give them today.
Yeah.
That's from this check of the 16th, right?
Yeah.
Basically. Okay. So on the 23rd, what can you?
Hopefully the rest of it. I've been working overtime, so
What'd you say?
been working overtime, so
Okay. Okay. Let me ask you this. Are you all right? Come on. What's wrong?
thank you. I'm fine. It's grief.
It's what?
It's grief.
Grief. Okay. All right. Let's do this. I sometimes can't help soothe that, but we can try to work through this and maybe lighten the burden another way. How about that?
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm fine.
I know. Yeah. Whenever anybody tells me I'm fine, that means they usually are. Okay. So you can pay 15 today. What about next week? Do you think you can pay the rest of it next week?
Yeah.
And you can, so what time on the 23rd do you think you can get that paid?
By 3 o'clock. I don't get off work till 2 o'clock, so
You don't get off work. When are there? At 2. You get off, okay. Right. And I'm doing this over the objection of plaintiff. because you did what you said you were gonna do. And I think you'll get this done. I'm gonna mark in the file that you're gonna pay $1,500 today. And then the balance you're gonna pay by the 23rd. I'm gonna adjourn this out to the 30th date. I'm gonna give you a chance to get it, all right?
All right, thank you.
And that will be January 30th at 3 p.m.
Okay,
Okay, so get it paid on the 23rd, because then that way, what can happen is in that week, they can file a dismissal.
okay, got it.
All right,
Yes, sir.
you got it?
Yep.
You gonna be all right? Are
Mhm.
you out there driving?
Who, me?
Yeah, right now.
Sort of. I mean, I kind
I
of.
don't want you out there driving if you're gonna be all over the place.
Oh, listen, it's cold outside. I'll be fine. As soon as that cold air.
She looked at Jim and said, look, listen, it's just all right. Maybe you have a blessed weekend.
Thank you, you too.